Got a quick little unboxing for you today. Got the Snowball blue mic. You can see his features here. Compatibility. It's a pretty cool mic. So let's unbox it. Use my old Jawbone, which I will be giving away, as a box cutter. That's about all it's good for. It's a pretty good quality box. Not that matters. Register me. The world's simplest registration card, sure. The Snowball. And here it is. So there it is. The blue Snowball mic. What else we got in here? Here's everything else. Here's the this is a USB cable. Has some reminiscence of the old iMac G3 power cables with that clear see-through. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't have an iMac G3 in case you're wondering if they're shit. Okay. It's very space age like. Gosh, this cable really does look like something from an iMac G3, doesn't it? There's several modes here. I have to read about them. It's a very cool looking microphone. I guess that signifies recording. Blue. Pretty cool, and you can, if you loosen this, pretty cool. You guys got a quick little update here. So I got the blue microphone all set up, and works great with speech recognition. I've been fooling around with it. It's a nice microphone. Can adjust it and do all kinds of stuff. It's kind of cool. I know if you've seen my recent unboxing video, but I got a 3GS, and also I found my first generation iPhone over here, 16 gig, and I decided I basically hacked it so it would work as an iPod Touch. So maybe I'll get an iPod Touch and get rid of this thing. I know it's kind of a piece of shit. Might be doing that in the giveaway. And expect to see a de novo Edge coming soon.